Today we're going to be throwing on some windshield wipers for the Toyota Tacoma. I think this is a 2014 model, but I'm pretty sure it's the same for most modern models, at least in this generation. But first we're going to flip this guy up so it's here. One thing is they are two different sizes. So we got the driver's side here and the passenger side. This is a little bit shorter one. That one's a little bit longer one. So we got a 21 inch here. So I got this rain guard, 21 inch. There's the part number. I got it out of the box. This is the mechanism. And this guy, you just lift up to disconnect from the vehicle. Now, one thing also to go over is these dry out. So I'm here in Colorado and these will dry out pretty quick. So they don't really last a certain amount of time. It just depends on where you're at. So there's a little tab right here. Lift up, push down, and it releases from the hook, just like that. So that's it. There's the mechanism. I always, when I'm buying something, make sure that, hey, did I buy the right thing? So I'm gonna make sure, yep, those are the same thing. That's the hook, that's the piece. We'll match up size. They are the same size. And then we'll go ahead and throw this on. This goes through here, like so. And then this little guy fits in, like so. And then click. Boom, that's it. Now I'm going to go do the other side. The other side's a 22, but it's the same thing on both sides. One clip, make sure it's on there, and give it a tug, and we're good to go. And that's how you install windshield wipers on a Toyota Tacoma from 2014 and 2013 and 2010, and I think this might be the same for even most Tacomas. So, yep. Once again, a little bit different angle. Let's see. Ooh, this is a different type. So this one's a little bit different type. So there's two different brands of wiper blades on here. This one, the little tab down here, you have to push down and then pull down to get it to come out. So be prepared. I mean, the mechanism is the same on this part, on the actual wiper of the vehicle. But this one, just a little bit different brand. So, but yeah, there's gonna be a tab you either have to push down and get out of that little relief right there, as you can see, or the ones I have, you push up. So that's how you do it. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one and let you guys go. I think you get the idea. If you like this video, please subscribe, throw a like, let me know if this helped you out. Thank you, and have a good night.